So there is a function called f of a comma b comma c, a comma b comma c. They are expressed in the form of sum of the products, where some of the products are like 3, 5, 6, 7. Minterms are 3, 5, 6, 7. They need to realized, meaning that it need to be realized by using variable entrant map. Then find p, q, r and s. Find p, q, r and s for the variable entrant map. They have given as a, b, p, s, r, q. This is 0, this is 0, 1. Right? They have given the options also. P equal to 0, r equal to s equal to c, q equal to 1, b as p equal to q equal to 0, r equal to c, s equal to 1. Option C, p equal to 0, q equal to r equal to c, s equal to 1. Option D, none of these. Meaning that what they have given here, they have given one expression. That expression they want to express in variable entrant map. Then, meaning that they have given 3 variable k map expression that they are trying to represent in the form of 2 variable entrant map. Right? In this 2 variable entrant map, can I able to include one more variable? Yes. Right? That is what. Right? What values I place, it is going to satisfy the expression. So for this, what you can do now? So try to take out the possible values. A, B, C are the possibilities, right? If I take A, B, C are the possibilities, what is the expression you are going to get? For example, 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. I think everything is done, right? Everything is done, right? What is this F? They have given already. F means what? 3, 5, 6, 7. What is 3? 3, 5, 6 and 7. What about all the remaining zeros? Right? Meaning that this is actually their function. They want to represent in the form of 2 variable entrant map. So for this, what you can do? You need to generalize it, right? If you are going to have 2 variables A and B, what are the possible values? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1, right? What about the function f? New function f. What is the possibilities you are going to get? Right, observe. When you are going to get 0, 0 as input, you are going to get 0 as output. Meaning that irrespective of input, you are getting what? 0. You are getting irrespective of 0. When you are going to have the 0, 1 as input, you are going to get as C. When you are going to give inputs as 1, 0, you are going to get the output as again C. When you are going to give the inputs as 1, 1, irrespective of input, you are going to get the output as C. Sorry, it should be 1. It should be 1, right? That is what. So they are trying to compare it with the, so 0, 0 defines P, 0, 1 defines S, 1, 0 defines R, 1, 1 defines Q, right? So you can just check which one it is, right? So P is 0, S and R are C, Q is 1. So option A is the correct answer. Like this, you can able to solve an expression.